But strangely, his all-time favourite vehicle is the 1950s Dodge Power Wagon. It holds a special place in his heart because it's synonymous, inseparable even, from the oil boom. Early oil prospectors relied on them when they were out in the desert with their divining twigs. And he's so grateful, he's built a monument in its honour. Large, isn't it? You know, I've been around the world 5 times to make this series, and what we have here, in the middle of the Arabian desert, is the most amazing, most sensational, most outlandish, and by far the largest car in the entire world. The wheels are from an oil rig transporter, the wipers from an ocean liner, and the headlights cost £1,000 each. Every detail is exactly 64 times bigger than the American original, a point that becomes blindingly obvious when you step inside. Of course, the big advantage of pickup trucks is they have tailgates, which can be opened. I know that this is the best view I have ever had from the back of a pickup truck. It is very important indeed that I remember to get one of these when the point-to-point season comes round again. In between races I could pop up to the master bedroom, which is where the cab should be. You know, this is impressive stuff, but it does have one more trick up its sleeve. Underneath there's an engine, a steering wheel, and crucially, a driver's seat. I do not believe what I just saw. It moved! There are so many questions, like how and why, that I think it's time to meet the man who built it, the Rainbow Shake.
We built all the pieces of this truck, nearly 25 major pieces, in Abu Dhabi, and we take it by truck to here and we assemble it in the desert, because we can't assemble it in the city because it's very wide. It's nearly 8 meters wide.
What sort of engine does it have in it?
We have a small engine. It's not very big, but it's to move it only for small distance. It is industrial engine, they call it GM, Detroit diesel 6-cylinder, but it's not very big.
A truck engine?
300 horsepower.
How much does it weigh?
We don't know exactly, but it's nearly 50 ton maybe.
50 tons. Most of the time, the desert is indeed empty and quiet and peaceful. And the Sheikh really can be left alone in his own little world.